Well, you already know it's your boy Adams Link, and please, if you have not joined this family, if this is your first time, try as much as possible to click on that subscribe button below.
I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress.